17 modern farmhouse bathrooms. For a modern farmhouse bathroom with an authentic soul, try to incorporate reclaimed, vintage and antique items whenever possible, sourced online or in flea markets and thrift stores. An antique mirror hung above the sink, a thrift store dresser repurposed as a sink vanity, a refinished salvaged claw foot tub or reclaimed hardwood flooring can add a load of charm to a space. When styling your farmhouse bathroom, look for little details that will add a humble, rustic, homey touch, like wire or wicker baskets for storage, vintage doorknobs or towel racks, thrift store paintings, and objects and finishes with a weathered patina that look like they have stories to tell. This dreamy, moody modern farmhouse bathroom design from interior designers Tara Mangini and Percy Bright of Jersey Ice Cream Co. features a stunning dark raw reclaimed wood wall behind the freestanding vintage-style bathtub with scene-stealing retro plumbing fixtures. Plenty of textiles, curtains, rug, towels, in shades of white and cream soften and freshen things up just a touch. Warm brass details, white marble countertops, and farmhouse sinks mounted on a rustic wooden vanity create an instant classic of a modern farmhouse bathroom from Jersey Ice Cream Co. A claw foot tub, a woven rug made from natural fibers, a rustic wooden stool to hold a motley assortment of pillar candles, a pile of humble quality linens and a view outside the window create a modern farmhouse bathroom vignette for the ages. A view of farmland, or any form of nature beyond the windows, is an excuse for a pared-down take on modern farmhouse style that is achievable anywhere. A warm blush paint job warms up the Spartan space, while a green-painted vintage medicine cabinet and a vintage oval mirror with simple, clean lines hangs over the sink to reflect the view from the window and add a decorative note to this serene space. This contemporary farmhouse bathroom features bright white painted shiplap, shaker cabinets on the sink vanity, vintage-style plumbing and a vase of fresh flowers to bring home the country vibes. It's proof that you can inject a subtle note of modern farmhouse style to contemporary interiors by keeping it simple. This farmhouse bathroom gets a modern twist with black taps on the pedestal sink, a black iron towel ring hung on the wall and a black metal chair. A simple wood-framed mirror flanked with vintage-style sconces, gray-painted wide wood floorboards, and a metal bucket repurposed as a waste basket create a livable modern farmhouse bathroom that feels both timeless and on-trend. In the dressing room area of this lovely farmhouse bathroom, a marble-topped antique light wood table that might in another era have held a pitcher and washbasin turns into a functional vanity thanks to a pretty curved mirror hung above it with crisp white towels stacked underneath. Tile floors and stone arches keep the room grounded in the past, fresh paint on the walls, hooks to hold fluffy bathrobes, and lots of houseplants add a dose of modern comfort. In this modern bathroom in a restored 500-year-old farm building, weathered oak beams support the roof and keep the design grounded in history. New oak flooring updates the space while remaining classic. A pair of pedestal sinks functions as a deconstructed double vanity. An old-style black bathtub as the room centerpiece, perfectly coexisting with a modern glass walk-in shower at one end of the room. This modern farmhouse bathroom makeover from Jenna Sue at Jenna Sue Design transformed a dated 70s bathroom into what she calls a natural romantic vintage boho version of modern farmhouse style. She made a DIY ladder from reclaimed wood and turned a vintage buffet found on Craigslist into a vanity. For a luxurious contemporary touch, she used candelabra bulbs in the sconces for romantic nighttime lighting. This modern farmhouse bathroom from Jenna Sue Design has a soothing ambiance thanks to creamy paint on the shiplap walls, a rustic repurposed raw wood dresser turned vanity topped with a modern sink, and details like country-style metal light fixtures and floating rustic wood and metal shelves. Shades of white on shiplap-covered walls, a cream-colored metal sconce and a vintage-style medicine cabinet over the old-school pedestal sink with visible plumbing create a simple, comforting, timeless modern farmhouse bathroom from Jersey Ice Cream Co. A dark wood antique side table with turned legs creates a place to display pretty bathroom essentials or fresh flowers, and adds a note of history to the simple and serene space. Jersey Ice Cream Co. created a centerpiece for this stunning modern rustic farmhouse bathroom by mounting white marble double sinks on 3 turned pedestal legs in a light wood that contrasts with the dark wood-stained original floors and fresh white painted shiplap walls. A frameless mirror keeps it bright and airy, and vintage-style fixtures and sconces add a warm finishing touch. The industrial spin on this chic modern rustic bathroom that combines 2 trendy styles into a timeless design. Strong black accents on the mirror frame, industrial sconces, walk-in shower frame and interior bench add contrast to simple white subway tile walls. A concrete farmhouse-style sink mounted on a rustic wood open vanity offer a tough farmhouse vibe that isn't twee. Jersey Ice Cream Co. kept the highlight on the rustic bones of this casually chic modern farmhouse bathroom: slanted ceilings, a skylight perfectly positioned above the bathtub, rich wood beams and dark wood floors and window frames. Crisp white painted walls, a black claw foot tub, gauzy white curtains and a breezy macrame wall hanging are all this inviting room needs to shine. This handsome modern farmhouse bathroom from Jersey Ice Cream Co. gets a mid-century modern twist with an ingeniously repurposed vintage wood banquet-turned vanity for double sinks that melds perfectly with the slanted rustic ceiling beams and looks striking set against white painted walls. A round mirror, vintage-style sconces, and a wire basket for storing towels completes the look. Gleaming bronze plumbing on the freestanding bathtub adds a note of luxe modern farmhouse bling to this bathroom from Jersey Ice Cream Co. Matching plumbing in the contemporary glass walk-in shower creates a polished look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.